Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bonk Update today. So guys, do you remember when I used to say that I'm going to make a video for you on how to trade and my strategy? There's a strategy that you can use over and over again, and how I made simple that on the daily, if Bonk comes down to this support level, you've been watching those videos, right? And we're very close to come down to those entry one more time. So I think 2020 can actually be a very nice good entry if Bonk actually comes down there. By the end of the video, you're gonna get a link to that playlist. I've actually uploaded one video on psychology, but make sure you're following the channel for the next future videos. In every 1 or 2 days, I'm going to upload almost one video, and there are nearly 6 videos in total, and it's going to help you go from absolutely zero to really get profits out of crypto. So yes, here it is, and private is opened up for you to join for January 2025 as well. Today's 20. Normally I open on the 20th of every month, and Bonk is also showing that it is ready to still continue on to come down. Bitcoin is ready for $85,000. I think Bitcoin is also ready for $77,000. So pretty much Christmas is is going to be very bad Christmas for a lot of people. 5 days later is going to be Christmas, and we probably are about to see a lot of people getting very disappointed during the holidays. And then again, maybe we could start to see some better recovery from 2025. I'm very bullish on crypto. And I want to say one thing that is a fact, that Bitcoin in 2017 corrected an average of 25%, seven times in a bull run, 25% correction. So I think this is the first one, the first nail in the coffin of the correction scenario. If I go to Bitcoin and I show you Bitcoin, if we drop from the prices of $108,000 to 77K, now that's going to be a 28% drop. If you do go to 72,000, then we have 32%. It could be possible you even touch $72,000. That's still possible. I think 77 is a very solid, case at the moment, but 72,000 is also quite there. And what does that mean for Bonk? That means that Bonk eventually, we might actually see a very small push back up to 3301, and then finally drop down right over there. Now, if you start to lose the trend line for Bonk, there's one more thing to add in here. If you lose this trend line, then your next buying area is 968. Okay, that's where you're going to find this little bit of support that started it all, right? And then this was the ascending support right there, which is fine. If you touch it, you move back up. I think you can still get some nice, good, trading opportunity. But if you end up losing that trend line and close below it, then I think you could be looking at 951. And that's why there's one more trick in here, which is going to come into the course of the playlist, which is free on YouTube. But before that one, it's going to take time to upload this one. The RSI is going to help you. So if you bring the RSI, and I don't know, for some reason my RSI is not working. I'm actually going to reload for a second here. So the RSI is going to help you determine if it's going to be a good idea to enter the market or not. And let's actually see if the RSI opens up. I don't know why for some reason RSI is not opening up. This is very weird. Let's do the RSI here. I think I actually deleted it by mistake, I guess. And yeah, so we're opening up the RSI, and this is the RSI, right? So we have whatever these patterns are. So what you're looking forward to is that by the time we see Bonk coming down here, we won't see the RSI pushing up, right? We won't see a divergence. We won't see a move to the downside, but we want to see RSI climbing up. So by the time you're down at this huge support and you have a nice good divergence, this could be an incredibly good, amazing opportunity. I 100% say that, yes, get it, get into that trade. If we go back in history and show you the history, then this is what the RSI looked like. You had the prices moving up there, and you had the prices which was pretty flat here. Flat price action and a move to the upside on the RSI, and look what happens next, right? That's what you will get when you take the trade with a divergence, which is a positive one. Hope you learned something out of this to make sure you get into the private as well. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one, Lafis. Hey, if you guys want to stop losing like this and actually start to win like this, I've already created a playlist for you guys to learn how to trade. So give me some few time of yours out of your life and check this playlist right over here, and you can learn my secret that has always won me a lot of trade whenever I need to win that for absolutely free. Check it out.